welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing really good. And after ages, I have came up with like a makeup tutorial, and this is the eye makeup that I'm gonna create today. And guess what? I'm just gonna use only 4 products. So I'm gonna use these 4 products right here, which are in my hand currently, with few more hacks which you can use in your day-to-day life to create looks if you do not have enough product. So without any further ado, let's just go and start the tutorial. So this makeup looks little incomplete, isn't it? That's because I haven't done my eye makeup yet. So I will be doing that in front of you using only 4 products. First one is the L'Oreal Paris Brow Artist Genius Kit. Second one is the L'Oreal Paris Gel Intenza Gel Liner. Third one is the Rouge Signature Lipstick. And fourth is my favorite Lash Paradise Mascara. So the very first step that I'm going to do for today's makeup is to do my brows. So for that, I am going to use this brow kit by L'Oreal Paris. So it's in the shade medium to dark. It has 2 shades right here. One of them is a waxier side and another one is in the powder format. Also it has like duo-sider brush along with it. It also has a mirror right here, as you can see. So ये waxy वाला part जो है ना, it helps to like hold the brow shape in place. And that's what I'm doing currently. I'm just combing through. So for the next part, I'm taking this one with the other side of the brush, and it's more in the powdery side. And then I'm just going to fill up the sparse area of my brows. Now moving on to the next step. So here comes a hack for you all. I have the L'Oreal Paris Rouge Signature lipsticks with me. I have 2 shades from their range. One is 129 I Lead, another one is 121 I Choose. So I will be taking this shade called I Choose. This is more of a pinky nude sort of a lipstick. Applying this on top, and then I'll just... You can blend this one using your finger. This will give you more natural looking finish. Or if you want, you can use, like a brush as well. Other eye. I'll just place the lipstick on the center and then blend it. I'll start blending it over here and then we'll be dragging it over my lid. And then applying it to here and here. This lipstick has a very beautiful formula. Like it has very water-based sort of a formula to it. It's like perfect to wear for every day. So I'm done with my eye look. As you can see, that's pretty simple and perfect for every day. So I'll be doing a very thin liner. For that, I will be using this L'Oreal Paris Gel Intenza. Along with this one, I also have a brush which comes along with this one. I'll just apply it. It's very... Oh my god. It's very creamy and it has a very nice smooth texture to it, and also jet black. Wow. You need a very little amount of product and it is very creamy. The last step to complete the entire look, and which is a game changer of this look, is to apply the Lash Paradise Mascara by L'Oreal Paris. So it has way more bristles than compared to any normal mascara. It has 200 plus bristles to it, which just gives a very close application to your lashes, and that is why it gives you a very lengthening and also volumizing lash. So this is the last step. I'm just gonna coat my lashes. You can see मेरे lashes बिल्कुल भी दिख नहीं रहे हैं. So I'll just be applying this mascara. Place the wand here and then एकदम धीरे धीरे से I'm just gonna swipe it upwards and see. And now I'm just gonna wiggle it into this root area of my lashes, and then धीरे से I'll just see. my god. This one has no mascara in it, and this one has the L'Oreal Paris Lash Paradise Mascara. And you can see I'm in love with my eye today. Oh my god. This can bring your eye makeup game from here to here. I'll just quickly be finishing this one and then we'll be right back. So I'm done with my other eyes as well, and you can see with the mascara itself it has changed my entire look. Not only this sort of a makeup, you can create any sort of a makeup, like even a smoky eyes with just these 4 products, which is amazing. So they are a great deal and great addition to your vanities that you must have. And the star of this look right here, the mascara, is for 799 rupees only. So I will be leaving all the links of these products in my description box so that it helps you to find the product. So yeah, with that I'm done with this video. So I hope you guys like it. If you really do, then you know the deal. Please subscribe to my channel, give this video a very big thumbs up, share it with your friends and comment down below. And I will be seeing you guys in my next video. Till then, bye, take care, and I love you all.